So today, Linnea, we're going to be making Easter egg holders. Is that correct?
Exactly. It's suiting to do a little Easter craft now with Easter approaching, right?
No, I think ours have cut off a little bit dodgy at the sides.
Yeah, what you need to make sure when you print it is that it fits on the paper. So you either need to scale it down. So I actually made like a smaller version as well. You can see.
Oh yes. I'm going to start cutting.
Yeah, just go ahead. I can explain a little bit about the craft in the meantime. It's really easy craft because it's basically just 3 pieces that you can either just cut out as they are. So you cut out on the edge and then also the middle here, because this is where the egg will go. So you will see the egg through the. And then another option that you can do if you have a cutting machine is that you can cut out each piece individually. And that's actually what I've done because I wanted to show a different way of cutting. So this is the body and the hat.
Oh, and his hat, yes.
And all the little flowers that I'm going to glue onto the hat.
Oh wow, look at that. And was that done with a cutting machine?
No, I was cutting machine, that was myself.
Oh, mine's getting there slowly but surely. I'm not the best.
So what I'm going to do now is just that I'm going to glue all the pieces onto the body. Maybe I can show you.
Oh, his nose. I like it.
Wow. We didn't think about that, did we? We wasn't that creative.
No. And actually, though, at least then you could make it sort of, if you know the person's favourite colours, you could pick their favourite colours, couldn't you, for the hat and different things and different parts of it. You can exactly. make them unique to the person that you're doing it for. Exactly.
And you can also make it like more themed, like this one is still very Easter themed, but maybe you're not a person that likes bright colors. You want a bit more neutral Easter colors.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah.
I like big bright things. I do.
Me too.
I've cut my first hole out, and I've cut my first bit out. Look.
Oh, you're very fast.
Thank you.
You're gonna be done before me.
I did have one question about the template. You know, this part here. Is this is the base of it? So this is where these little indents are in the is that to show you where to fold it?
Exactly. I'll show you because I already folded mine actually. And these where these little nudges are.
Yes, yeah.
You fold it like this, and then you will put this as like a holder between the two.
Oh, yes, perfect.
And then you put the egg. Yeah. You put the egg in between.
Very nice.
Definitely. And what's nice about this is that you could, of course, cut out these pieces yourself from your own imagination.
Of course you could.
Get all the measurements right and maybe. But you just need to do that is to glue the pieces together like I'm doing.
Oh, very nice. He's got his first foot now. That's what we like.
Oh.
So it is
Made a pig zero that one.
You gotta cut it a bit more than that.
At least you can peek the egg through.
I was gonna say it's like a peekaboo. Peekaboo, I've got an egg for you.
He's gonna have no hands.
He's gotta have hands. Make it look like he's holding the egg.
Oh, I'm not.
That part is easier to use a smaller scissor.
Yeah, yes. I think that's the thing, Linnea. That's why she gave me these wallpaper scissors.
They're not.
This brings out the true person in all of us. So actually, I'm glad I'm done with gluing my 2 pieces now. You can see they're the same meter there.
I like those colours as well. They're nice.
They're very nice colours.
Yeah.
I like the blue and the yellow.
Yeah.
Once you're done with your 2 or all cut out all the pieces, we will just glue these together.
I will say it is easier with smaller scissors. Look at that.
Nice. That's really nice.
Thank you. I'm quite proud of that. Peekaboo. I've got an egg for you. There we go.
Well, you can have it like mine. Look at that. Nice fit. Look at that.
Yeah, but that's perfect.
There
Yeah.
you go.
Good
It's
job.
perfect.
I need to wait for the glue too.
Ah,
look at that.
him. There he is, look.
Oh,
Oh, that's brilliant.
So it's nice though to see sort of the different colours. So those are sort of like a lighter blue, but then with the brighter blue, that's quite
Yeah.
nice, isn't it?
I think it looks maybe a little bit more 3D because I like added the hat onto the.
Yeah,
don't know.
that's it. It gives you that little bit, doesn't
yeah,
it?
that looks beautiful, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, you can even like have play around with different papers, like some glitter paper, or add more like 3D elements onto it. Like you can make a little 3D flowers that pops out. So
Oh yeah, that's
how
yeah.
many egg holders you're planning to make?
Yeah.
And how much are these templates do you know on Creative Fabrica? I mean, they vary, but they're not expensive, are they?
This product is called the Easter Gnome Chocolate Egg Holder SVG. And it's just $4. Our platform is in dollars, but then if you convert that, if you buy it, it will be converted to your local currency.
So $4 is nothing, isn't it? And you got
No,
it for
that's
life
it.
now, haven't you?
Yeah, that's it. You can bring it out every Easter, give it to people, cut it out. Voila, egg holder. Thank you very much.
Exactly, and there's a lot of other ones that are you can get it even for. I'm seeing 4. There's other kind of templates that cost just like $1. So there's a lot of options. And if you use the Ginger Nuts coupon code, you can get 35% off.
There
Of
you
course,
go. Look
Ginger
at
Nut.
that.
That'll be our way of
Wow.
advertising it.
And that's nice for them to see. Simple, more detailed, like.
Yeah, and this took us like 15-20 minutes or something to finalize, right? Even I think once you do a couple, you get the speed up faster even.
So all the
Perfect.
details are on creativefabrica.com, and we'll throw them on our social media as well, and the details will be below this video. That makes it sound really professional, doesn't it?
It does.
Below
it
this
does.
video.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. Thanks so much, Linnea, for talking to us and for doing that with us. And we'll have to do another one because I really enjoy that, actually.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
Yeah.
Crafting can be quite therapeutic.
Really, really enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.